Yes. Do you remember this? It said express this to 3 significant figures. And what did we say about significant? We said it means what? Important. So we are counting important figures. First 3. Take note. First 3 important figures. So what is the first 3? 1, 2, 3. So it's on this one. Are you okay? So remember, you need the next one to what? To run. Then you turn the rest to zeros. Simple as A, B, C. So it becomes 7, 5. This fourth one can run it and make it what? 9. The remaining 2, 0, 0. Finish. Do you have that answer there? Answer C. Correct. First important figures. So the first 3, we count 1, 2, 3. The fourth one, you run. If it's 5 or more, turn the rest to zeros. Standard form. Sorry. Yeah, significant figures. Let's move on to the next question. The next question. Convert this to standard form. It's a multiply 6.4 times 10.10 to the power negative 2 by 8.5 times 10 to the power 4. And I said you can insert this in your calculator to generate your answer and just convert to standard form finally. So in order not, because it's objectives, that's why we're doing so. But you know what to do. Put them in bracket and just work. So let's go to our calculator to generate that answer. So let's go to our calculator. Our calculator is here. Let's pick our calculator and use it to do the work. Okay, this is our calculator. This is our calculator. Alright, so 6.4 times 10 raised to the power negative 2. Make sure your cursor is at the center before you continue. 6.4 times 10 to the power negative 2 times 8.5 times also 10 raised to the power positive 4. So power positive 4. Okay. You see what I had, right? 5440. You can see it on the calculator here. So we had 5440. So 5440. Is this in standard form? No. Where's the decimal point? Like you said, the decimal point is here. 1, 2, 3. We place it after the first important number. So you get 5.44. The aim is to eliminate the zeros at the end or at the beginning. So you don't write a 0. Times 10 raised to the power. I moved 1, 2, 3. So the power is 3. And it is positive because the number we are converting is 1 or more. It's not less than 1. If it's less than 1, you see 0 points. It's not less than 1. Therefore, option C is the correct answer. Is it clear? So clear, so clear, so clear. Alright, so that is how beautiful it is. That is how beautiful it is. Good. That is how beautiful it is. So the next question is asking us something simple over here. Which of the following is a rational? We are playing rational numbers that they follow a pattern or they are terminated. Either they follow a pattern or they are what? Terminated. They follow a pattern when converted to decimal or they are terminated. So let's see. Set P, 2 is terminated, therefore it's rational. Root 3, we can't tell because it's not a whole number. We are here to find out. 5 is what? Terminated, so irrational. Let's confirm root 3. So let's go to our calculator to confirm whether square root of 3 is a rational number or irrational number. Square root of 3. So we are going to our calculator to see whether it's a rational number. Good. So let's look at the stage to find out which one is rational and which one is irrational. Okay, so square root of 3. As for 2, we are sure. 5, we are sure. Square root of 3. Square root of 3. So square root of 3. 1.7320508075 is irrational number. There's no pattern. Therefore, I is out. So wherever there's I is out. This is out. There's I here. This is out. It tells you the answer, right? But let's go. Let's confirm. Set Q. 7 is rational. The rest, they are not terminated. So let's confirm. 1 over 6. 1 divided by 6. Sorry. 1 divided by 6. This is rational number. So 7 is rational. 1 over 6 is rational. Why? There's a repetition. Can you see the pattern? Follow 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. Square root of 9. Square root of 9. The answer is what? 3, as you can see here. So that's also rational. Therefore, II is there, qualified. Right. Let's look at II. Don't waste your time. Can you see this R representing real numbers? That means the set from here can be both rational and irrational numbers combined. Correct numbers are the combination of rational and irrational. So this is also disqualified. Therefore, II only is the correct answer. Have you seen the picture? Good. So let's move to the next question. The next question is talking good. This is also calculator work. So you just insert in calculator and get your answer. So let's go. The first term is 18. There's a bracket. I open the bracket. Then there's a second bracket. There's a bracket inside a bracket. So I open the second one. So what you see is what you insert in. And there's a fraction key. So fraction half. 1 half. So 1 half. So it's 1/3. This is 1/3. So 1. This is 3. Forward arrow. You close your bracket as that. Power 2. So you raise power 2. Put your cursor nicely. So the cursor must be at the center. Minus. This is my minus. Right? Good. Fraction. 1/6. So 1 over 6. 1/6. Forward arrow to put it at the center. I close my brackets. Then power 2. So raise to the power 2. Right. This is the answer. Now, the answer is in decimals. But the examiner expects the answer to be in what? Fraction. As presented. Can you see the answer is presented fraction? So I press SD on the calculator. SD. You see SD on the calculator. On top of delete and AC. Press it. My answer is 1 over 8. Can you see it on the calculator presented? So you don't have to do show working for this. The answer is 1 over 8. So simple. So simple. Good. At this stage, look at what the examiner is presenting. He said, which of the set below is represented on the number line? The number line, the direction of the arrow is the indication of the numbers you want. Right. Let me open up my screen for you then. Good. So use the direction of the arrow to determine are the values of the x we are looking for. So let's look at the first one. Looking at this, the number is what? -3. So the arrows, so x values are, you see the left numbers are less, so less than -3. The second one, this one is 0. So x values, right hand side, they are greater than what? 0. Simple. So you just look for it. So you can see that now this one is shaded. If it's shaded, good. If it's shaded, right, it means you put equal sign. It means that element is inclusive. So -3 is inclusive. That's why you put equal sign right when it's shaded. When it's not shaded, it means it's not inclusive. So the left, like I said, the left numbers are always less. So x values are less or equal to -3. The right numbers, where the arrow is pointing right, they are greater. So the values of x are where the arrows are pointing. Take note of that. Now let's look through the answers. Which one portrays that x is less or equal to -3? Do you see somewhere? Okay. Note that will be the end of this video. Real number systems, and for that matter, answering questions on them. Now, in the next video, we're going to look at algebraic expression. Very interesting topic. Very, very interesting topic. You enjoy, you love it. You'll be using calculator to solve quadratic expression, solve so many questions, right, coming from algebra. So that is dedication. You love it. Keep enjoying our videos. The annuity instead of mathematics. I know that these videos can be watched, downloaded and watched without internet connection. So we expect you to do so. If you have any questions, please WhatsApp me on the number I gave you. I wish you all the best. Mathematics will soon be your hobby with your guaranteed pass as you obey the simple tips we give you. I wish you all the best. Watch algebraic expression and all the other videos, and you love maths. Bye bye.